Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to see everything about EWay bill. So let's get started. EWay bill is an electronic bill generated for the movement of goods from one place to another for every business who is manufacturing goods or dealing in goods from one place to another. Now, here the question arises. Is it mandatory for us to have an EWay bill? Yes. If the goods value exceeds 50,000 or you are transporting the goods more than 10 kilometers away from the spot. These are the two situations under which it is mandatory for you to have an EWay bill. Either you are crossing any one limit, then you do need it. And it is mandatory for person who is registered under GST. Now here the question arises. Who can register an EWay bill? The supplier can register it. The transporter can register it. Either the receiver also can register for that EWay bill. Anyone can apply for EWay bill through the government website ewaybillgst.gov.in. Now, let's talk about the validity of that EWay bill. If goods are transported between that 100 km, less than 100 km, the validity of EWay bill is 1 day. For every additional 100 km up to 300 km, the validity will increase by day. We can take it 1 day for 100 km, 2 days for 200 km, and 3 days for 300 km. And from 300 to 500 kilometers, the validity of that EWay bill is 10 days. And from 500 to 1000 kilometers, the validity of that EWay bill will be 15 days. Now, let's talk about some details needed for that EWay bill. In that EWay bill, we can find details of supplier, receiver, transporters, and goods. For supplier, we need name of firm, address of firm, and GST number. And for receiver, we do need all these three same things: name of firm, address of firm, and GST number. For transporter, we need vehicle number and GST number and other vehicle details. And we also need some information about goods, the quantity of goods, cost of goods, and the type of goods which are being transported. Okay. Now, we want to know about how we can check the EWay bill or what is the validity of the EWay bill. On the EWay bill, we found a bill number. That bill number is important. If anybody wanted to check your EWay bill, he will check it through that EWay bill number. Okay, that's all about EWay bill. If you wanted to know how you can apply for EWay bill through that government website, then type in the comment below. And if you like the video, please subscribe and hit that like icon. See you in the next video.